Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY turmeric body sugar scrub. It's very quick and easy to do. So you're going to need a plastic bowl, and you're going to need sugar. It's either you can use white sugar or brown. I prefer to use brown sugar. Put 2 spoons of brown sugar and then 1 spoon of turmeric. It's enough. You can make this body scrub if you don't have money like that to buy these expensive ones in the shops. So I'm going to add coconut oil, just only 2 spoons of coconut oil. Make sure that your sugar scrub is not too wet, because we don't want it wet. And make sure that it's not too dry too. Mix it up and make sure that your sugar scrub is not too wet. We don't want to melt the sugar. So I'm just gonna add this Good Earth argan oil, which is a body wash. It has a very good pleasant smell, which I'm gonna add on my sugar scrub. I'm adding it because when it's time to wash it off, it's going to be easier for me to wash up the turmeric scrub on my body. That's why I'm adding it, and for the smell too. This is how the sugar scrub should look like. Not too wet and not too dry. So I'm going to show you how I apply it. So I'm going to apply the turmeric sugar scrub on my armpits because I need to lighten them. And this turmeric sugar scrub is going to help lighten my armpits. I like using this turmeric sugar scrub on my body once a month, not a week, once a month. I leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes and then I wash it off. And just to lighten my skin complexion, I don't want to whiten my skin, but just to lighten it. And this is how it looks like after washing off the turmeric scrub. So now I'm going to apply my favorite lotion, and I'm going to see you guys next week. I hope you like the video. Try the sugar scrub out and leave a comment down below, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.